Now back inside. Phoenix taking their time. They now take a shot at the top of the key, and the first shot is delivered by Jasmine Kondrakowicz. This is an aggressive defense from Bowling Green. Now Levy, little hesitation, gets all the way to the basket. Fleming wants the three ball. That's deep, and Levy grabs that miss. Now Kondrakowicz quickly down on the other end. Count it! Phoenix. Kick out to Schultz. And Cassie buries the three. Looking for their first points here in the second quarter. Schultz rattles it home. The one and only Kevin Borsa. McNeil gets the shooter's touch. Jazz kicks it back out, and Levy knocks one down. The double team leaves somebody open. That's Jazz.
Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not.
Jazz hits the three. McNeil with the turnaround. Nothing short on that. Connection for you. Callie Genke. McNeil. Catch and shoot. That is average double-digit scoring throughout the entire season. Geyer steps out from the outer limits, and 25-point night for Day as Koenig busts the three-pointer.